Salem, Tamil Nadu. Mr. Bosha is not only a leader in the financial sector, but also an accomplished academic holding an ME in Computer Science and Engineering from Anna University of Technology, Coimbatore, with an impressive CGPA of 9.16. With over 12 years of academic experience in teaching and administration, Mr. Bosson has made significant strides in shaping in the minds of future engineers. His commitment to education is future exemplified by his 6 years of technical training in areas such as capital markets, banking, financial services, and insurance. As an active research person, Mr. Bosha has organized and conducted numerous training programs, including of conferences, workshops, seminars, and faculty development programs. His passion for nourishing talent has greatly benefited to countless students and educators alike. In addition to his role as a mentor, he has served as a faculty advisor, MBA coordinator, project coordinator, placement coordinator, and students counselor, always striving to support students in their academic and professional journeys. Mr. Basa is also a recognized Microsoft Technology Associate and an EMC2 Academic Associate, specializing in cloud infrastructure and service training. His involvement as a chief guest editor and advisory board member reflect his dedication to excellence and collaboration in our community. Today we look forward to his hearing his insights and experiences, which are sure to inspire us all. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to Mr. S. Alauddin Basha. Thank you.
Sir, can you share your screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are joined, sir. Please share your screen, sir.
Screen share ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. Error has occurred when screen sharing. Please try again. Permission தரணுமா? ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. நான் என்டையர் ஸ்கிரீன் கொடுக்குறேன். இப்போ நம்ம செக் பண்ணும்போது ஷேர் ஆச்சு. நம்ம செக் பண்ணும்போது ஷேர் ஆச்சு சார். இப்போ எரர் அக்கர்டு when screen sharing please try again வருது. நான் தான் குவிட் பண்ணிட்டு திரும்ப உள்ள ஜாயின் பண்ணேன்.
என்ன பண்றீங்க? வீடியோ பாத்து.
இப்போ பாருங்க. ஆகுதா? ஓகே ஓகே தேங்க்யூ. பாத்துறோம் பேசாதீங்க. Good evening to all. It's my screen is share. Hello. Hello. It's audible. Sir, it's audible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, it's visible in my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good evening to one and all. First of all, thanks to the organization to arrange this wonderful workshop for the 5 days. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about basics of stock market. So before starting this session, I put on the disclaimer. It's only for the beginners because this is very basic steps to how to enter into the stock market. It's only for not only it's exclusive for freshers. Okay. So don't expect the high level technical classes. So only for freshers. So okay, basics of stock market. Before going to stock market, so what is meant by market? Okay, what is meant by market? So if you want to anything means good. If you want to anything, you go to the market and buy the product. This is a simple thing. For example, if you want to vegetables, you go to the market and buy the vegetables. If you want to books, you go to the bookstore and buy the books like chart, reports, everything. It's normal things. We go and visit the store and we pay the amount and we get the product. But the only difference is the product should be a physical one. We have to realize, okay, this is the product. So we can physically they realize this is the product. But similarly, in stock market, we can get the stock through online, like as a GPay. For example, if you have the 1,000 rupees in your GPay means, you can just see the amount, one followed by the 3 zeros, that's all. You are not able to realize or feel or touch the particular amount or cash. Similarly, you can buy the stocks in particular place. We'll discuss in later, like exchange, another things we'll discuss in later. You just imagine we can buy a particular product. That product is depends on the one company name. We can just buy the product. That product will be located in your online account, like your GPay or PhonePe, whatever it is. Instead of the amount, the stock will be added. This is called as the stock market. This is a very basic things. So it's a normal market, but it should be in an online format. That's all. There is nothing different from the normal market and stock market. This is a very basic things. As per the definition, you can just share the company's stocks or company's product. It should be in a public state. It should be a public way. It may be an exchange or whatever it is. We can buy the product or buy the share or buy the stock from the particular places. That places is called as exchanges. We'll be discussing later. Okay, this is the stock market. Okay, before going to the stock market, in my personal experience, anyone can enter in the stock market. Money is not a matter. Okay, so even I have a 10 rupees, I can buy 1 rupee stock or 10 rupee stock. My friend have a 1 lakh rupees, he or she buy 1 lakh rupees stock or 50,000 rupees stock. So money is the third one. Then what is the first one? It should be a knowledge. Not only stock market, if you have any business, you should need a knowledge. Without knowledge, you can do any projects in this world, any business you can do. You're not able to do a single small business in this world without any knowledge. So most of the persons, they are not involved in stock market. The only one reason is because of the risk. So stock market is a big risk for if you're entering the stock market, if your overall properties, money, everything will be collapsed. It is not like that. Okay, simply is a proverb of stock market. In my point of view, stock market is like a mirror. If you're seeing as the business, yes, it's 100% professional business. Or if you're seeing as like a gambling, yes, it's a gambling. Okay, so it depends on the knowledge, mindset. Third one is money. So money is only third position when you are entering in the stock market. That's why I'm repeating the same word. Anyone can enter in the stock market. There is no issue. But without knowledge, no one survive in the stock market. This is the very, very important one. So I repeat once again. The first one is our knowledge. Second, mindset. Third one is money. Okay. So from today onwards, you just fix your mindset. Stock market is not like gambling. It is a reputed one under our central government, recognized with the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. Okay, it's not like a gambling like forex or a crypto, whatever it is. It is not like that because it's our Indian government is officially announced one particular industry under the control of SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. Okay, good. Next one is before going to stock market, each and every person have 5 things should be needed before going to the stock market. Just now you said mindset. Your mindset is very, very prompted. Okay, it's not a gambling, it's a professional business. So we give this a respect. Okay, these are the first point. Second point, risk management. Obviously, without risk, you can't do anything in your life. Okay, so risk management is mandatory one. Okay, without risk, you can't do a single thing in your life. Okay, third one is your weightage. What is your position? Okay, based on your requirement, based on your need only, you can do the plan according to the plan. Okay, because of the position is nothing but your need, basics need. Okay, so who will decide your need? You only decide your need. Okay, based on your requirements and need, you should fix the trading plan. According to the trading plan, you should select the stocks. Sir, is audio will should be echo. Can you check? Second, sir.
Sir, as it is normal, sir.
Okay, sir. Good. No problem. So, based on your position, that is based on your requirements and need, you should fix the trading plan and according to the selective of choice of your stock. So, these are the 5 important points: mindset, risk management, position side, trading plan, along with the stock selection. So, these are the 5 things every needed should be needed. And what are the 5 trading mistakes when you are entering the stock market? First one is, as usual, there is no risk management, no plan, over trading, lack of patience, and last one is very, very important is emotional trading. So these 5 points it play the vital role when you are failure in stock market. So try to avoid it. In the 4th point is very, very important. The best example of 4th point you can take as the role model of our former captain MS Dhoni. He is always waiting for the correct opportunity. He always waiting. Once the opportunity will come, they can utilize properly. Similarly, in stock market, you should be wait for very long patience. Once the opportunity will come, you can utilize it. So this is the best way to get the decent money in stock market. I always recommend my client and always recommend my students, they don't expect huge money in stock market. You always fix your mindset. You should pay decent profit. For example, in any bank, you get the 5 to 6% per year means you can expect 15% in stock. That's all. If it comes above 15%, okay, we are all happy because we are all human. We have a same psychology. There's no issue. But you fix your target as 15 to 20% per year. Comparatively with the bank, it will be double or triple. Okay. For example, the X bank gives 5% or 6% per year mean interest. If you get 18 to 20% in stock market means, you just imagine it. Into 2 to 3 times, it's a huge return. So you always fix in stock market 15 to 20% per year, and don't fix as the per month. It is not at all possible. If you think 10 to 20% or 30% per month means your mindset fixed as the gambling. This is the major issue. Okay, if you are, again I'm telling, if you are surveyor in stock market with a long duration, you fix your target as a minimum value, not maximum value. Okay, don't take as advice. It is my experience. I just shared to the my clients as usual today's audience. Okay, next we will move on to the Indian stock market. So Indian stock is a normal history. The Indian stock market is the from 1800 started in 1875. Is the Indian first stock exchange will establish like BSE. Bombay Stock Exchange is one of the biggest exchange in our Asian region. So this is biggest exchange. And after that, 90s, the NSE, National Stock Exchange, it will be introduced in our country. After that, after 2000, all the papers format it should be converted into the digital format. That's why we are called as dematerialized account. We'll discuss in later. It's called as the demat account. So after 2000, all the paper format in stock market, it will be converted into digital forms. Okay, we'll discuss in later these topics. Okay, so where it will be executed. If you want to play the any games, you want a ground. Similarly, in stock market will be played into the particular place. That place is called as the exchanges. In India, we have two top exchanges. Just now we discussed a BSE and NSE. BSE is the very old stock exchange in our India. So Bombay Stock Exchange, and NSE is the National Stock Exchange. So these two exchanges are under the control of our Indian stock market. Okay. So next one is what are the types of stock market? So share market or stock market both are same. We have categories into two types. There is a primary market. First one is secondary market. In secondary market, as a normal, we are participating to the only in secondary market. Primary market is exclusive for public limited. We'll discuss later. So first one is what is meant by primary market. The primary market, they initially are called as IPO, initial public offering. What is meant by initial public offering? I will explain with one example. Consider short is a form called as IPO. You consider ABC as a company. The company worth of share is almost 50 lakhs rupees. The owner of the company ABC is Mr. X. He want to develop the company in future, but he don't have that kind of amount. So he need to just push to the particular stocks, particular companies' values into the exchanges through SEBI. So the exchanges can receive the company properties. The company name is called as ABC. They can receive the properties and it can be converted into the shares. For example, you can take 40 lakh worth of shares for company ABC should be divided into 4 lakh shares, means each and every share price should be 10 rupees. For example, okay. So each share price is 10 rupees. Total shares will be 4 lakh shares. So 4 into 10, it should be 40 lakhs. This 40 lakhs is workable for company properties of ABC. Okay, if I take this example, once they can publish into the exchanges like NSE or BSE, whatever it is, once the IPO will be released, all the shares it can be converted into the stocks and it will be placed in open market. Open market means anyone can buy and sell the stock. Okay. What is meant by trading is just buying and selling the product. Similarly, in stock market, it's a buying and selling the stock. It is called as the trading. Once the shares are moved into the exchanges, it may be NSE or BSE. As per our normal human beings, anyone can participate and anyone can buy and sell any company shares. Okay. So after the publishing the IPO, the ABC company shares 4 lakh shares is available in NSE as well as in BSE. As a person, Mr. B, they can buy the 1,000 shares at the price of 10 rupees. Okay. So they can invest 10,000 rupees to can receive the 1,000 shares at the price of 10 rupees. Okay. It will take some time. It may be 1 month or 2 months, whatever it is. After some days, the share price will be increased 10 rupees to 11 rupees. Then he just bought the 1,000 shares at the price of 11 rupees, means he get the profit of 1,000 rupees. This is a small example to how the company will come into the share market. After the entering the share market, the company stocks will be buy by the normal persons or any number of persons. We can buy the normal stocks. Once they are converted into company properties, that is company values into the stocks as in stock market, that is exchanges. Okay, so once receiving the stocks in publishing the stocks or publishing the shares in exchanges, as a normal persons, anyone can buy the stocks and sell the stocks in open platform. So this is called as IPO. Okay, and second thing is FPO, which is the external version of IPO. It's just I explained, but there is no need of the investor or normal trader. But FPO is nothing but the extension version of IPO. So second time they can publish the same companies in the exchanges. It is called as FPO. We'll discuss them later, because it's a very few companies to FPOs will be released. There's no need to involved in very depthly. Okay, I just skip this slide. Okay, so this is the primary market. In primary market, we're considering the initial public offering. In second one is secondary market. And secondary market, as a persons, anyone can involved in secondary market. We can buy and sell through NSE or BSE, that is National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange. We can buy and sell through these exchanges. But what is the condition is, we needed some mediator. We are not able to directly contact to NSE or BSE. We needed some intermediator. That intermediator is called as sub-brokers. Okay, so the sub-brokers, you can open some account, like what is the relationship between as a person and a bank? Obviously, it's a bank account. Then only we can communicate each and every person into the particular bank. Similarly, how to communicate with the stock market? Now we have a separate account. That account name is called as Demat account. We'll discuss in later. Who will provide the Demat account? As a sub-broker, will provide the Demat account. By using this Demat account, we can link it with the NSE and BSE exchange, and we can buy and sell the product like this. Okay, these are the intermediator. By using this intermediator, we can buy and sell the stock through these brokers. Okay, they are called as secondary market. So secondary market, each and every person can involve through opening the Demat account. We can participate in the stock market. There is no issue. In my knowledge, if I am correct, now currently there is no opening charges for Demat account. You can open in any Demat account sub-brokers. This may be a private or banking. Some of the topmost banks are they are providing the Demat account at free of cost, like Kotak, SBI, ICICI, Axis, HDFC. Some of the banks are they are having own Demat account. You can open anywhere. You can open with any sub-brokers. But what the beauty is, there is no amount for opening the any Demat account. But AMCs is there. Annual maintenance charges, it may be 300 to 400, depends upon the company. Okay, but there is no cost for opening the any Demat account. And second one is, a single person can open any number of Demat account, like bank account. But in same company, a single person cannot open more than one Demat account. Okay, for example, if I am having a SBI account, means I have only one SBI account, but I can open SDFG, ICICI as well as Axis. Similarly, you can open a Demat account in Kotak Mahindra. You can open another Demat account in SBI, SDFC, ICICI, Axis, etc. Okay, you can open any number of Demat account in different vendors. There is no issue. So this is called as the secondary market. Okay, the main purpose of secondary market is just the buyer. There are only two person in stock market: buyer and the seller. Buyer can buy the stock from the seller. Similarly, seller can sell the stock to the buyer. That's a simple thing. Okay, based on your requirement, based on your need, and based on your holding of money, you can buy any number of stock from seller. Okay, there is no issue. So before COVID, it's a very less number of participants in stock market, because people are don't aware of regarding this stock market industry. You mark my word, after 5 to 10 years, this is the biggest booming industry in our country, because you just scroll by in Google, you just verify the data is a huge. Last 5 to 6 months or 1 year, the number of clients entering into the stock market is very huge, because they know this is a very one of the going to booming industry. And this if you follow the correct method, that means follow the correct technical analysis, fundamental analysis, whatever it is, you can learn the stock market as a very business view. In point, if you can see the business view, definitely you can gain a good amount. I'm again saying it's not a huge amount; it's gaining the good amount compared with any industry like real estate, gold, FD, whatever it is. It's a standard income, but only condition is you should learn and then only you can think about the earn. This is very, very important. Most of the people, they are not ready to learn. They are simply put the money and it will be think about within a day or within a month or within a year, it should be double or triple. It is not possible in stock market. You just pick this point in your mindset. It's very, very important. This is just an example of this slide. It shows how the people are involved in stock market. Within a 9 months, they can enter in the 7 crores. Within the 5 months, this is the data from the NSE. You can refer it. As on February 2024, within a 5 month, 9 crores people are involved in stock market based on demat account open. Okay, we just refer it. So as usual, each and every step in life, the first step, it will be very huge. It's very difficult to the first step. Once you are entering in the first step, then other steps are is like sky. You can easily move on to your life. Okay, this is a normal one. Okay, once you are entering the stock market, the very, very important thing is you first decide you are the trader or investor. This is a very, very, very important thing. Okay, so once you fix it as the trader, you move on to the particular way. Or if you are think as the investor, you just move on to the particular way. Don't mingle it. It's very, very difficult to combine both of the parts, and surveil is very, very difficult. If you have a huge amount, there is no issue. But as per our middle, I hope we are all, for example, if our participants are nearly 300 or 400 members, means out of 400, 300 plus is all middle class family. So we don't have that kind of huge money. So you concentrate on one way. If you are following the trader, okay, it's just good. You can follow the trading. Or if you are an investor now, you just follow to the investor way. Don't mingle it because we don't have that kind of huge money. So first one. Second one, it's very difficult to learn both the thing. Even though you can learn both the thing, but implementation is very, very difficult. Okay, everyone can learn. That's no issue. But the implementation is very, very difficult because we are all humans. We have the same feelings. We have the same psychological problems. So very difficult to manage both the things at a time. Okay, it's very, very difficult. Okay, so please think twice while before entering in stock market. You are the trader or investor. So okay, sir, what is mean by trader? What is mean by investor? It's nothing but it's very simple. If you are trader, okay, you can earn the money or lose the money within a short period. Okay, depends on your knowledge or depends on your mindset, whatever it is. But if you are an investor, the risk will be very, very low. I'm not saying there is no risk, but the risk will be very, very low. Just example is in front of your screen. In Rome, it will build a very long time period to build a Rome. But Hiroshima, Nagasaki, we all know within a second they destroy everything within a second. Similarly, in stock market, without knowing the knowledge, okay, without having the proper mindset, don't think about as a trader. Okay, you first enter as the investor. It will take some time. It may be a 6 months or 1 year. Depends on your family background. Depends on your mindset. Depends on your knowledge in stock market. You will fix first 1 year or 6 months in as a investor. Then only you can move as the trader. Okay, most of the people's, yes, 90% of the people's were entering as the trader. They lose the money and they quit from the stock market. This is the actual problem in this current scenario. Okay, so again saying, I'm not advice to anyone. This is my own experience from the 2010 to 14 of experience. I'm also entering as the trader, so I lose a lot of money. So once you can investor, it should be a very good path, but it will take some time. After that, you can learn how it will become the trader and other points, and then you can move on. Okay, this is my point of view. Okay, once entering the stock market, we have a lot of confusion between the what is stocks, what is shares. Okay, the share stocker, both are same? No, definitely not. Share means we have the own company shares. For example, I have a SBI share means I have a 10 SBI share means in my portfolio I have a 10 quantity of SBI share. That's all. So one particular company. But stocks, I have a 10 stocks means each and every stock have a different company. One stock is SBI, one stock is L&T, one is the Ashok Leyland, one is the Tata Motor. So each and every sector or every company I have a pick a one stocks. So this is a major difference between shares and stocks. These are the major difference, and differing difference are very similar to all the point of view. We can go through it. There is no need to explain. The first point is very important. What is the difference between the shares and stocks? Okay. So okay, next one is how to classify these. What are the types of stocks or what are the types of shares? Na? It depends on the MCAP, that is market capitalization. So based on the market capitalization, they can classify it as the three types of stocks in the share market: large cap, mid cap, and small cap. A large cap means they can assign that they can fix as the more than 20,000 crores. A particular company means that company is called as a large cap. For example, Reliance, TCS, Infy, etc. etc. Similarly, in mid cap, between 5,000 to 20,000 crores, the market capitalization company is called as the mid cap. And below 5,000 C, the 5,000 crores company, market capitalization company, it's called as the small cap. Similarly, the risk reward will be more high in large cap. For example, if you are investing in large cap, its probability is very low. I'm not saying there's a no risk in large cap. Okay, it is not like it's not like that. So large cap means the risk reward it will be good. For example, if you are investing the 5,000 in three caps, a large cap risk is 1% to 10%, maximum 500 rupees. In mid cap, it may be 20%. In small cap, it may be 30 to 40%. I'm telling you about the risk reward. So based on this, your mindset and based on your requirements and need, you can invest any one of them. There's no issue. It's better. I always recommend for one. If you go for the any investment, your mind will fix as the diversification. The diversification is a very good key for investment. If you have a 10,000 rupees, mean you can invest 3,000 rupees in large cap, 3,000 in mid cap, and 3,000 or 3.5 something in small cap. This is the it's a good. Is audible? Hello. Hello. Sir, it's audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's a good way to invest the proper way to invest your money. Okay, you can split. Diversification is very important. Sir, I'm going to invest in various sector. That means various areas. Mean similarly, if you have 10,000 rupees, you always split as the 5 types. 20 rupees. 200 rupees for. If you have 1,000 rupees, means 200 rupees for FD, 200 rupees for gold, 200 rupees for real estate, 200 rupees for bonds and mutual funds, and the remaining 200 rupees for stock market. This is the best diversification to invest your money in your life cycle. Okay, don't invest in a single point of view. It is always danger. If you have, if you give the money, means a huge return it will be come. Otherwise, your money will be drop out. So be careful. So these are the 3 market capitalizations. Based on this market capitalization, the types of the sectors or types of the stocks will be splitted: large, mid, and small cap. Apart from that, this is the example of large, mid cap, and small cap. For example, large cap, we have the revenue benefits is to be stable. Just now I'm saying is the risk is very low, so volatility is very low. Compare with the mid caps, it should be higher. In small cap, it should be very high, but growth it's like a slower, higher compare with the highest in small cap. So based on your requirements and need, you can fix whether you're going to invest large cap, or mid cap, or small cap. Okay, so decision is your hand because money is yours. So based on your technical analysis or fundamental analysis, whatever it is, it's based on the analysis. You can invest the money in any caps. There is no issue. But my point of view, you can invest as a diversification. Okay, it's a very simple method to surveil in stock market. Okay. So next one is there's a 6 types of areas mostly we cover in the stock markets. So first one is blue chip. Second one is growth oriented. Some of the people are very brilliant. They are focused on only dividend. For most of the government sectors, for government sector based stocks like Coal India, NMDC, SCC, Bell, SAIL. So these kind of BPCL, IOC. So these kind of stocks are they are giving you more dividend compared with the profit. So but it should be a long term only because they are give the dividend yearly once or twice. But if you have a large quantity as a equity in your portfolio, means the dividends are huge for long term. So based on the dividend, many of the people they are invested in government oriented sectors. Okay, so like that dividend and undervalued stocks. So stocks that are trading below the original value, that intrinsic value, we'll discuss in the technical analysis, fundamental analysis tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So based on this original value, they are trading at the values. For example, if you are purchasing any dresses in any vacation period or celebration period like New Year or Diwali or Pongal, whatever it is, the material price would be very low compared with the other times, because they are at that time they are producing some discounts or offers, whatever it is. So likely they are underrating value. So you can buy more quantity compared with the normal term, like that undervalued stocks. And similarly, cyclic stock is like that, based on the environment change or based on the monsoon, based on the our geographical involvements, tasks, and some issues, the price will be differ. We can find out the particular area or particular monsoon area. You can fix some particular stocks. For example, in summer period, we all know about it's a very hot, so the AC prices like Voltas, Blue Star, the prices are very high. Even the batteries values are increased because of UPS like Amarad battery, Excite. Their prices are maybe more. But once it's winter season, these air condition prices, battery prices, and some of the stocks are getting the very low price, because based on this particular monsoon will decide the particular company's value. So this is a correct time. You can decide which time what kind of stock will be going to buy. It should be based on your fundamental and geographical ideas. You can buy the particular stock. This is a very, very important one. Okay, so these are the 6 types of stocks. 6 types of stock. I'm not mentioning the shares. 6 types of stocks you can choose based on the timing based. Blue chip stocks, even the market crashes, the blue chip stock is very, I'm not recommending any stock, but most of the blue chip stocks is a great opportunity. Once the market will crash, is going to, you are always ready to invest in the blue chip stocks. Okay, you can find out the blue chip stocks in Google or NSE website. So I think 20 to 30 blue chip stocks are available. You can invest based on the diversification. Again, I'm telling you, don't invest in the one sector. Okay, for example, in banking, SDFC is the blue sector. Blue chip sector means your whole money don't going to invest in SDFC. You can split as SDFC, ICICI, SBI, Kotak Mahindra, like that. Okay, you can split the amount and invest in the various sectors. This is the correct way to invest in your money. Okay, these are the 6 types of stocks in stock market. And the second one is some of the terms. So if I'm fresher, means these are the terms are very new for me. Okay, so only for freshers. I just go through the short forms. SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, is a organization to control the Indian stock market. Okay, under the central government. Second one is a Sensex. It's a collection of top 30 stocks listed by our Bombay Stock Exchange. They are called as Sensex. Okay, all the peoples can. I hope at least one time to watching in this news areas, definitely they are mentioned our Indian Sensex like NSE, BSE, something like that. At least you hear this word in all the news channels. So Sensex is nothing but the 30 stocks listed by the Bombay Stock Exchange. And as usual, BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE is National Stock Exchange. And what is meant by stock index is nothing but the statistical source of collection of stocks. It should be a weightage based on the top sectors of stocks. We will discuss in later. And trading is as usual is nothing but buying and selling between a buyer and seller. Okay, just buying and selling a particular product in stock market or particular stock in the stock market is called as the trading. Next one is Nifty 50. These terms are we are repeatedly using in when you are entering the stock market. It's a collection of top 50 companies listed in or listed under in NSE, National Stock Exchange. They are called as Nifty 50. Stock broker, just now we discussed what is meant by stock broker. And portfolio. So portfolio is there's a 2 types of portfolio. First one is the normal portfolio in stock market that contains only the stocks with the different sectors. And the overall portfolio is collection of investment. For example, I have a 1 lakh rupees portfolio, means 10,000 rupees gold, 10,000 rupees real estate. Like that, we have the portfolio. So portfolio is always two types. One is overall collection. Second one is stock market scenario based collection. Okay, there are two types of portfolios. And bull market, usually a market will be rise. It is called as the bull market. Bear market, as usual, is vice versa. And bid price, ask price. Bid price is nothing but buyer will pay to buy a specified number of shares to the stock at a given time. Asked price, just vice versa. The seller will sell the stock for the particular price. This the terms is called as bid price and ask price. Okay. Once you are entering the stock market and start to the trading in, these are the terms as a regular one. This not a big issue. Just don't feel if you are a fresher, don't care about these kinds of terms. Okay. What is the core of stock? Till now, we discussed a lot of things in stock market: buy, sell, NSE, BSE, stocks, types, everything. All these things, it should be under a single umbrella. That umbrella is called as supply and demand. Even our life also based on supply and demand. Okay. So what is meant by supply and demand? So based on the supply demand only, a stock market will move on. So supply once the demand is high for the particular sector or particular area, always the price will going to high. Similarly, if supply is huge, the price will be drop out. This is the natural thing in real-term scenario also. Okay, based on the demand and supply, they can fix the stock price or in your life, it will be price is going to high or low. Again, I repeat, if demand is high, a particular product or particular share price will boom. Otherwise, the supply is more, automatically the price will be move on to the lower one. This is a simple one. Okay. You just think about, I think 2023, I'm not remember the exact month. I think in September or November in 2023, the onion prices it will reach 200 rupees per kg or 250 per kg. Now the onion price is just 50 rupees. How it is possible? Only the concept is demand and supply. Okay. Why now gold price is going high, very high price based on demand and supply. Okay. If your people are going to stop the buying the gold, means automatically the gold price will be go down. So based on the demand and supply only, the overall stock market will be executed. Okay. Okay. Again, once you are entering the market, you should decide you are investor or trader. This is very, very important one. If you are investor, your passion will be the key role in your stock market. If you are trader, obviously passion is very important. Same time, your updation and skill is very, very important. So you will decide whether you are investor or trader. This is a very important one. Okay. But sir, whatever it is, you are investor or trader, the common rule is you should know the stock analysis. It's very, very important. Without knowledge, you can't move as the second step or third step in stock market. So first one is knowledge. Even though you are investor or trader, it is not an issue. But you first, entering in the stock market, you first know the knowledge about the stock market. So before that, you can decide investor or trader. Okay. It's a common to both of the persons. Okay. What is meant by stock analysis? First, you find out the stock analysis always split as the two types. First one is fundamental. Second one is technical. If for the investor, you focus on fundamental analysis. If for the trader, you focus on the technical analysis. So you can decide whether you are investor or trader. I'm repeat once again. If you are investor, okay, you think about fundamental analysis. If you are trader, you think about technical analysis. Okay, addition is yours. So these are the some very good websites to it's very useful for fundamental analysis of stocks. We'll discuss on tomorrow. These are the very useful website. Okay, I will share in later. Okay. Okay. Next one is stock analysis. Just now I told fundamental or technical. Based on this analysis, you will move on to the stocks. There is no issue, but you should be strong in at least any one side, fundamental or technical. Okay. In fundamental, there is no issue. So based on the company's revenues, some technical terms, we can easily go through and move on to the fundamentals because they are the we have a large time frame. If you are investor means at at least you should wait 3 years, 5 years, 10 years and above. Okay, there is no issue. We have a time to breathe. But as a technical analyzer, it should be a very short period. Okay, you can do all the things which are within a particular period of time. So you need a sharp mind. And as usual, in technical analysis, we have three kinds of choices: candlesticks analysis, indicators, by using indicators, and the third one is chart pattern. So you have three choices. My recommendations always is chart analysis. But if you're going to candlesticks or indicators, maybe your choice is okay. But at least you backtrack minimum 6 months to 1 year. Once your backtrack is completed, your strategy will be okay. Then you'll move on to the indicators and candlesticks. Okay. In my personal opinion, the chart analysis, it will be okay for long-term perspective as well as the short-term perspective. It's my own experience. You also can at this junction, I convey one thing to all of you guys. Don't believe anyone, including myself. You can just do your own analysis. That's why even we are giving some recommendation or some stock analysis, we are mentioning is DYOR. That means do your own research. Okay. Don't believe anyone in a stock market. Do your own research. If it is okay for you, then only you can invest, because the money is yours. It's very, very important. Okay. This is the difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. The fundamentals is based on purely on financials, the upcoming project, PE ratio, a lot of things are there. We'll discuss on tomorrow. In technical analysis, we have simply, just now I said that we have three choices: indicators, by using the indicators, or by using the candlesticks, or by using the chart forms. That is charts and graphs. Based on these three ones, you can at the same time you can pick anyone. In this scenario, also I tell you, you can pick anyone. Don't mingle all of the three. You are not able to trade. Okay, if you are try to learn all the three things in technical analysis, you are able to learn, but you are not able to earn. It's very, very important. Because these three different scenarios, three different areas. If you are easy to able to learn, but you are not able to implement. So in my point of view, you can pick any one in technical analysis: chart pattern, indicators, or candlesticks, based on your backtracking capacity and your choice. Okay, so you can decide in technical analysis. Fundamental is common to all, so it's only one way to analyze the stocks. There's no issues in fundamental analysis. Okay. Next, this very, very important thing is trading style. What is your trading style? You will become a trader or investor. If you are trader, if you are the intraday trader or scalper or high frequency or swing, position, long term, blah blah blah. If a lot of things are there, we are pick up just 1 or 2, 3, because we don't have confused for all the things. Okay. If you are investor, for example, if you are the investor, that means you have only two choices. We just ignore the high frequency trading. It is not up to you. We just focus on day trading and scalping. Day trading is nothing but you can do the trade from 9:15 to 3:30, because our Indian market, actual Indian market time is market open at 9:15, end with 3:30 as a normal market. In commodity market, it will go up to 11:30. We just skip the commodity. Okay. We'll focus on normal market from 9:15 to 3:30. You can do the any number of trades within 9:15 to 3:30. It is called as day trading. Scalping is very high risk, because within a short period you can do the trade. I will see this example in very, very lower time frame, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So within a short period time, you can do the trade. Mean you are the scalper. Okay. And multi-session, you have the swing trading. Swing trading is nothing but 1 day trade or 1 week. Maximum it will 1 week or 2 weeks. The swing trade. And position trading, it will go up to 2 months or 3 months. Maximum 6 months. You can hold a particular stock and sell the particular stock. Means it's a position trading. Long term, As usual, minimum 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, based on your requirements or based on your need, based on your analysis. It's very, very important. Based on your analysis, you can hold the particular stock. Okay. This is the a long-term perspective. So swing, position, long. You should be a normal traders. If you are the intraday trader, you go with the day trading and scalping. Okay, but as a freshers, I always recommend position trading, long trading. Even though I'm not recommend this swing trade within a day, within a week, or within 2 weeks, not recommended. Okay, because the money is your hardcore monies. I don't want to lose your monies. Okay, so you always recommend you take the correct script or correct stock by using your technical analysis or fundamental analysis, whatever it is. You can at least hold 6 months to 1 year, at least 6 months to 1 year based on your analysis. You can do your trade. Okay, it is my humblest request for all the freshers, not experts, only for freshers. Okay, after 1 year or after you have a good get a good experience from stock market, you just think about intraday. I'm repeat once again. I'm not say to trade. Think about intraday because intraday is very, very risky one compared with the multi-session trade. Okay, so you don't think about intraday. You go with swing trade, position trade, or long-term trade. Okay. So these are the different types of trading strategies. Time frame is very, very, very important. Okay, without focusing on time frame, you can't do anything in stock market. If you do, 99.9% you should be a failure one. That 1% it may be a lucky fellow. We just ignore it. 99% you face the failure one. So time frame is the main role or main key of the stock market. So you can start any time frame. It just depends on your vision. Maybe 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, even 1 month or 1 year, whatever it is. But if you should the time frame, you should follow the particular time. Don't overlap or cross over the time frames. Most 99% of the traders will fail. They are not following the time frame. For example, I'm taking this trade based on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, but I'm not following the time frame. Once I entering the trade by using the 5 minutes time frame, I will extend 10 minutes or I extend 1 hour, I extend 1 day. Definitely you will end with the loss. So this is the main drawback. If you are entering the 5 minutes time frame, you can book the profit or book the loss at the 5 minutes time frame. This is the correct way to trade in stock market. Okay, if you are entering the 10 minutes time frame, you can book your profit based on 10 minutes time frame, or you can book the loss at the 10 minutes time frame. Okay, this is the correct way to trade in stock market. This is a very, very important one. Second one is signals. You can based on the signals how to or where to get the signals. We have a lot of platforms or a lot of ways to get the signals through charts or indicators or candles. Based on this, we can get the signals. Simply holding time is all depends on your analysis and the mindset. Okay, you can hold 1 day or 1 month or 1 year. Okay, or even 1 minute, depends on your analysis. And trade monitoring is not necessary. No, I'm not saying not necessary, but not repeatedly need in trade monitoring for long term. Okay, for example, if you buy a land nearby your home or nearby any area, means you are not monitoring day by day or monitoring every week. Okay, you maybe visit 6 months once or 1 year once. You can just go to visit your land and just come back. Similarly, if you are in long position for any trade, there is no need for monitoring regularly. So it's very relaxed trade for position trading. Okay, that's why I'm repeating the same thing. Don't go for short position trading. Go for long term trade. Okay. So this is the but most of the traders, it should be come with under these 3 types of trading: scalper, day trader, swing trader. Because they are traders, not investor. Okay, just go through this previous slide. They are investor. They are traders. So only they are focusing on this short period. The scalper, it will do the trade within 5 minutes. The trader, they can finish the trade within 1 day or 2 days. And swing trader, they can finish the trade within a week or 2 weeks. So these are the traders. They are focusing on short period of time. The short period of time is always risky in freshers in stock market. Even the experienced persons, they are losing the lot of money as the trader. So again, I'm repeating, if we maybe bore of you all, but it's very important one. So don't try to be a trader in initial period. Okay, just listen my words. Don't be a trader as the initial period in stock market. Once you have experience in 6 months or 1 year, whatever it is, you can move on as the trader. Okay. Yeah, these are the your basics mindset and psychology, because psychology play the vital role in stock market. Okay, once fresher entering the stock market, you definitely realize the psychology playing the vital role in stock market. As an intraday trader, you follow the discipline. Time commitment is 100%, 101%. As a scalper, obviously, time commitment is a repeated one. Swing trader, based on analysis, it may be charts or candlesticks or whatever it is, based on the particular analysis. Position trader, always passion, eye for just focus on the what are the things are going around the stock market and what are the things going on in your stock. Just passion and watch the stock. That's all. So these are the normal criteria to follow the every trader. Maybe you are intraday trader or scalper or swing trader, position trader, whatever it is, but you need to follow these things as a in very disciplined way. Then only you are success. You should be a successful person in stock market. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move on to the how the stock market. Till now we are discussing about what is stock market, what are the how the stock market will work, where it will work, how to entering the stock market, what are the basic things. These things are will discuss. Now we are going to analyze about the how the stock market will move on, how to we analyze in simple way. Okay, so every stock from 9:50 to 3:30, it will be traded in our Indian exchanges, in Indian stock market. It will be showed in as a graph format. That graphs that contain only in candlesticks pattern. Okay, a lot of candlesticks are there, but we are following the normal candlesticks. So what is meant by candlesticks? Candlesticks is nothing but is a visual representation of size of particular stock. Okay. For example, how we can identify our heartbeats, or how we are identified our temperature. So these are displayed in some medical term. They are called as echo, like that. We have some series, some waves like that. Okay. Similarly, how the stock market will be run by should be visual representation, which they are called as price fluctuation. It should be it is a visual representation of candlesticks. Each and every candlesticks have a three kinds of attributes. It is property. What are the properties? The first one is a whole thing is called as the body. In upper, it's called as the upper shadow. It is technically they are called as wick, W-I-C-K, wick. Okay, and below the candle is called as lower shadow. But both these single lines is called as the wick. This is the upper shadow. This is the lower shadow, and the remaining things are called as the body of the candlestick. It is common to all the candlesticks for all the stock. There is nothing different in the candlesticks. Okay, and second one is what are the criteria of the particular candlesticks. So for example, this is the like open, close. In upper wick is called as the high, lower wick is called as the low. So this is the normal candlesticks. This candlesticks is depends on the time frame. It may be a 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 10 minutes, 1 hour, day, monthly, whatever it is. Based on the time frame, the candlesticks, but properties will not be changed. Okay. Candlesticks should be a common one. So let me see the one example. Okay, there are two types of candles: bullish candle, bearish candle. Bullish candle is called as positive candle. Bearish candle is called as negative candle. In what is meant by positive candle? The particular stock or particular share, okay, open with the low price and closed with the high price, it is called as positive candle. I repeat once again: a candle open with the low price and closed with the high price, it is called as positive candle or bullish candle. Okay, but for the particular time period, what is the high price? It mentioned as the upper shadow. What is the low price? Represented in the lower shadow. Similarly, in negative candle open with a high price and closed with the low price, it is called as negative candle. Okay, in this particular time period, the high value is called as the upper value, low value is called as the lower value. I will show with one example. At I think the market is closed, but okay, I will show the today's market. So my screen is visible, sir. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, trading view screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now I can take on stock. For example, State Bank of SBIN. Okay, State Bank of India. I just remove all the drawings. Okay. Okay. I can take as here the time period. I can put as the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So market open at 9:15. So today's market open here. Okay. 9:15 the market will be open today. So this is the each and every candle represent as the 5 minutes. If you are selecting the 15 minutes, every candle represent as 15 minutes at the date of Monday 23rd September 2024. Okay, so based on your time frame, the candle size or candle number of candles will be differ. Now, okay, I am selecting the 5 minutes candle at the time of 9:15. I just zoom in. At 9:15, this is a 5-minute candle. The open price, I can mark as this is the open price and this is the closed price. Because this candle is green color. So it means open price always higher than the close price. So now open price is always lower than the close price. The open price is here, you can see the open price and the closed price. Everything you see in here. Okay. So I just put the cursor in the 9:15 candle. The open price is here. You can see the open price here. So open price is 785. High price is 788. Low price is 784. And the closed price is 787. Okay. I'm repeat once again. This is the open price and this is the closed price. I put the cursor in the 9:15 candle. So open price is 785. Closed price is 787. So open price is closed price is higher than the open price, mean it is called as positive candle or bullish candle. That's why I'm representing here is open candle always lower than the closed candle. Okay, let's move on to the negative candle or BSD candle. Okay, we'll move on to the one negative candle. Okay, now I can move the cursor in red color candle. That is negative candle. You can find out. I put the cursor here. Okay. Now, what is the open price? 794. Closed price 792. So compare with open price, the closed price will be low. Open price 794. Closed price is 793. So it's obviously it is called as negative candle or bearish candle. So this is the candle. So 5 minutes candle. Based on the time frame, you can fix any candles. There's no issue. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, even 1 hour, weekly, monthly. You can use any number of time frame based on your convenience. There is no issue. Okay. So this is the each and every candle represents us based on the time frame. Okay. This is the open positive candle and negative candle. Okay. So candle is nothing but it's a visual representation of movable of any particular stocks. Okay. 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 So these are the very basic things. Okay. How to how to connect with the stock market? If I'm have a relationship with any banks, means I can open the any account and I can have some relationship with the particular bank. Similarly, how to connect with the stock market means you just open the demat account. That is dematerialized account. You can open any demat account in any sub brokers, private or public, your wish. Okay, so what is the process of demat account? Before going to demat account means it's like a third account we can connect between our bank account with trading account. It acts the mediator between our bank account and trading account. Okay, this is the process of demat accounts. Once you can open any demat account, the broker or sub broker they give some they are allocating the username and password for your particular account. By using the username and password, you can open the demat through an app or a website or software, whatever it is, based on the particular platform. You can buy and sell the particular trades. You can do the trade. That is buy and sell. You can do the trade in the particular platform. After that, the amount will automatically credit to your demat account. Once entering the demat account, you can again withdraw from your original account. It's a simple, normal method. First, to open the demat account, the broker or sub broker they are providing the some platform. That platform it may be an app or a website or software, whatever it is. By using that platform, you can trade. That is buy or sell. This is the simplest method to opening the demat account. These are the normal documents for all the companies. Okay, PAN card, Aadhaar, last 6 month banking statement, passport. These are the normal documents. You can open the demat account at any sub broker or brokers. Even though if you go to the bank, you can open the demat account by using these required documents. Okay, these are common documents to open the demat account. Okay, but note one point: they don't pay any amount for the opening the demat account. This is very, very important. And these are the some stock market mobile apps. It's very useful for you. Almost all the stock apps will be free. You can use it like TradingView for chart analysis, Money Control for news gathering. Similarly, Screener is useful for the filtering the stocks and filtering your analysis, ticket tab. So these are the investing.com is very good for chart analysis. These are the very good basics apps for analyzing your technical analysis as well as the fundamental analysis. It's very useful. It's I think almost all the apps should be a free one, and all the apps available in App Store, Google Play, and App Store. The apps are available. You can use it, guys. So I think I have a lot of queries in the query section. Sir, if you have any queries on the sessions, you can just ask through mic or
Participants are requested to ask any doubt. Kindly clarify your doubt in our resource person.
Sir, can you please explain about demat? So demat account is nothing but just how to interact with the stock market. So what is the relationship between you and the stock market means? To just open an account with a particular broker or sub broker. They can give some. They are providing the platform to do the trade in particular platform. You can just open the demat account by using the following the documents. Just you can open the account within 1 or 2 working days. After that, you can just trade that particular platform. For example, if you have the Windows laptop, without you are buying the MS Office, how you can use the MS Word or Excel? Like that, once you are buying the new laptop, how you can enter in the how you can use Word or Excel? Once you are buying the MS Office, then only you can use MS Word or MS Excel. Similarly, okay.
Sir, my name is Bharati, sir. I need one doubt, sir. I need
tell me,
one clarification, sir.
Tell me, ma'am.
Sir, actually, especially for our investment, what is regular and direct investment plan, sir? I need that clarification, sir.
Can you repeat, ma'am? Regular
and direct investment, sir. What is the main differentiation between what is the main differentiation between regular investment and direct investment, sir?
A regular investment means you are asking about systematic investment plan like mutual fund, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir. SIP, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Always we recommended systematic investment plan is good if you are in busy or if you are not able to allocate the time for trading. But if you are available, I'm always recommend this. You can do the own trade because money is yours. So you can once learn, you can do your own trade. The direct investments is very good compared with the SIP. But if a long term, I don't have a time, I don't have a passion because I have a lot of works or something, family work, whatever it is means, you better go on to the most important things. And don't take as the risk means you go with the SIP. Systematic investment plan is very good.
Okay.
It's based on your convenient plan.
Okay, sir. But what is the differentiation between regular and direct, sir? Regular means somebody told like that regular plans means we are giving commission to some others. So after the maturation, we lost heavy amount. Is it right or wrong, sir?
Almost, ma'am. If your regular plan means the AMC will be small commission to the third party. But in a direct mutual fund, there is no third party, no commission.
Okay, sir. If we need to direct investment means we are enrolled in that some other clearing house, no, sir, like Corby or Geojit or some other like we are enrolling in that platform. So, if it is possible direct investment, sir?
Yeah, ma'am, it's possible. Once you are entering the, once you are going to invest in mutual fund, you have both the options are available. Whether you're going to this invest in mutual fund by through direct plan or regular plan or direct plan, you can start as a direct. There is no issue.
Okay. If it is direct means, how can I invest in that, sir? Through app or direct website?
Through app or website, or you can directly move on to the bank and by with help of the staff, we can open invest in mutual fund. We have a lot of areas to invest in. There is no issue. We can directly invest in app. It's enough. For example, if you have SBI account, by using the SBI app, have a mutual fund. You can invest through SBI app. Mobile.
Okay, sir.
But
sir,
before that,
important
is to select a good mutual fund. It's very, very important.
Okay, sir. Sir, could you tell me one more doubt, sir? Doubt clarification, sir.
Yeah.
What is SWAP, sir? SWP. SWAP. Systematic withdrawal plan, sir.
Systematical withdrawal plan basically not recommended, ma'am, because why we are going for mutual fund, it should be a long-term perspective. We have a good return, more than a good return. Then the systematic withdrawal plans, once you are initiated, just now I told we are all human, we have a same psychology. In our mentality, we can anytime we can withdraw. It is not recommendable for long-term investors.
Okay, sir.
What is meant by SWP? The investors allow the withdraw the fixed amount, that is fixed amount of money in at regular intervals. Okay, it's a SWP, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then okay, better you go for FD or RD. If you're invested in RD, within a regular interval of period, you can take the money.
But the mutual fund is one of the best investment plan, no, sir. Based on that return, we have to prefer like mutual fund investments, no, sir. Comparatively,
based on which mutual fund you can select, it's very, very important.
Okay.
All the mutual funds are not giving the good return compared with the FD or RD. It's based on your which mutual fund you will select.
Okay, sir. So we just prioritize about that mutual fund, then we will move to invest, isn't it, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Next one is, sir, where can you
Sir, I
open a
need
demat
one doubt,
account?
sir.
It is available in online. Yes, Subiksha, we can open the online. There is no issue. We can submit all the document as the soft copy only. You can open the online. There is no issue. Yeah.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I need one
Sir,
doubt, sir.
Yeah. One by one.
Sir, there is any. Sir, there is
Sir, I
any
am
age
Kritika, sir.
restriction for.
One by one, please.
Sir, I am Kritika from
Sir,
GGS Play Arts and Science College, sir.
Okay, ma'am. And tell me,
What
ma'am.
is the difference between positive candle and negative candle, sir?
Positive candle is nothing but the particular stock for the particular time period open at low price, closed at high price meant it is called as the positive candle. For example, better scenario for lifetime example, real time example. For example, the market is I'm talking about vegetable market. The vegetable market open at 6 o'clock and closed at 10 o'clock. For example, at morning. Okay, if you are entering the market at 6:30, you can buy the onion. The onion price at 6 o'clock, that is market open time is 100 rupees per kg. At 10 o'clock, market closed time, the onion price is 120 means it is a positive candle. If the price is closed below 100, 80 rupees or 70 rupees, it is called a negative candle.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, there is any age restriction for to opening the demat account, sir?
What's up?
Sir, for opening the demat account, there is any age restriction is having, sir?
18 years, sir.
18 years. Okay, sir.
18. So,
Sir?
next question. Tell me, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes,
There
sir.
is any restrictions for intraday, number of orders placed and the number of buying and selling?
It based on the sub broker. For example, SBI differ from the Kotak Mahindra. Kotak Mahindra will differ from the Axis Bank. So based on the sub brokers, they are decided how many orders put at a time. Like that.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, please, any charge on opening the stock demat account? No, sir. There is no charge for opening a demat account. Can you tell the application for learn the basic stock market? Definitely, sir. A lot of applications are there like Money Control, Rediff Money, Google Finance. So a lot of applications are there. You can just install the app. You can learn it, or you can go on the Google and search it. There are a lot of websites are there. How long period you wait for better return? Sir, based on pick of your stock and based on the analysis will decide. Okay, there is no guarantee warranty. You can wait 5 years, the amount will be double or triple. Okay, based on your analysis, based on your pick of the stock will decide how long the particular stock will return the good amount. The brokers of the account, they will help to us. Mostly private sector demat accounts, sub brokers are there, conducting some seminars, conducting their workshop, recommending some calls. They are giving some services, ma'am. But in banks, they are not providing any services because in banks, the demat account is not a major business there. Their main business is bank only, so they are not giving any services up to my knowledge.
Hello,
Any
sir.
doubts?
I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me,
Sir, I'm a college student. I want to be a financial independent person. Which would you prefer, sir? Long term or short term, sir?
Long term or short term, based on two things, ma'am. What is your requirement and what is your investment type? If you want to monthly basis, if you want to need income for monthly basis, you go for the trading. Sir, if you want a good run for the long term, you convert as the investor. So based on your need and based on how much you are going to invest in the stock market.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Tax is implemented on share selling. Yes. How to overcome? Not possible, sir. Without tax, you can't do any trade in any platform. It's under central government, sir. So we need to pay the tax. Some good return mutual funds. So better you always go with the index-based mutual funds, sir. It may be a Nifty index, a Pharma index. So you always go with the index-based mutual funds. They are give the good returns. I'm not saying the huge returns. They are giving the good returns. Okay. How much tax which you pay? I think this year the tax law will be changed. Up to 1 lakh, there is a your profit. There is up to 1 lakh. There is a no tax for the in your TDR. That means per year 1 lakh up to 1 lakh there is a no tax for a particular year. That 1 lakh mentioned as the profit. Okay. For example, you can trade 2014 April to 2015 March, 2025 March. Sorry, 2024 April to 2025 March. Within this 1 year, you got 80,000 profit or 19,000 profit. Now there is a no tax. But if get more than 1 lakh means you should need to pay the tax.
Sorry, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, which is better? Trading is better or investing is better, sir? I am a student, sir.
Sir, I always recommend investing is better. If you have a good knowledge, if you have a good experience, maybe you can convert with the trader.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Is there any way to avoid the brokerage fees? Not possible, ma'am. Not possible, sir. Hanshika Shivakumar. Okay, it's not possible to avoid the brokerage. Maybe in private sector brokerage have a less brokerage compared with the banking brokers. Okay, so if you want to low brokerage means you go for the private sub brokers or private vendors. Sir, suggest some trading app. A lot of apps are there, ma'am. Once you can open the Demat account for open a Demat account for a particular company. Company means a particular sub broker. They can provide the company app. It should be free of cost. You can install and use it. No tax deduction at mature time, like invest in mutual fund or any other. Yes, sir. Some of the mutual funds are there. It's exclusive for tax deduction. But what is the main criteria is you should wait, I think, a minimum 3 to 5 years. Then only the particular tax will be free for you. What is E-margin? E-margin is E-margin is risky, sir. So try to avoid E-margin. Means the brokerage, particular brokerage, they give the additional money based on your borrowing. Simply they are called as borrowing the money from your brokerage company and using to this money by using the buyer stock. For example, in your Demat account have a 10,000 rupees means they are borrowing into 5 times or 10 times. 5,000 into 10 times, it may be 50,000 like that. By using the money, you can buy the stocks. But it's very risky. In my point of view, try to avoid the E-margin. Whatever you have money, you can trade it. Even 10 rupees or 10,000 or 10 crore. There is no issue, but it is your own money. Don't go for E-margin. Sir, which company do you think the best services? Sir, it's an open platform. I'm not recommend any particular company. It's not a correct way. So sorry. Just why I'm telling, sir, you ask some particular trading stock Demat account. So I'm not giving any suggestion for a particular company Demat account or particular company stocks. Yes, you can ask any question through mic also, not only in chat box. Sir, how to find the best mutual fund? We are not best mutual fund is a market capitalization, the previous history, and what are the companies that are involved in the particular mutual fund. So these are the very important 3 key points to find out the best mutual fund. Sir, upcoming session, can you teach how to open the Demat account? The Demat account is not a big thing. If you contact any Demat open companies, like a lot of companies are there, you can just through call a customer care or just send a mail. They can open the Demat account within 2 to 3 working days when you're submitting the correct documents like PAN card, Aadhaar card. There's no issue. Or if you want means I can send the link. By using the link, you can open the Demat account. To submit the all the documents in online, you can open the Demat account. But before opening the Demat account, you can just call the particular vendor. You just ask the what are the brokerage. After you can decide whether you can open the Demat account for the particular company or not. It's very important.
Hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Tell me.
So I have a question. So if I want to take a profession in trading or stock, how to start this earning profession like in stock or trading, sir?
Okay, you are asking about the full-time trader, correct?
Yes, sir. Maybe full time. Yes, sir.
Okay. Since you asked, if you want to convey as the full-time trader, you need to answer my question. What is your expected return in every month?
Okay, so expert and return in every month. Actually, sir, for your kind information, with honor, I want to say that I'm just a beginner. Today the first day of
Why I'm
of
asking is the requirements and needs are differ from person to person. That's why I'm asking.
Yes, sir. So could you please ask again, sir, the question, sir, please?
What is your monthly requirement, or what is your expected return at every month?
Expected return in every month. Suppose 5,000, sir.
5,000 enough for your life cycle in a month? Because
No,
you say it's a full-time trader.
Okay, full-time trader, sir, 50,000, sir, 50,000.
Sir, 50,000 per month you are investing, and 5,000 return means it's a 10%. So just calculate into the year, it may be 120%. So it is not possible. It's possible, but there's no warranty for every month give the 10%. It's a high risky one. So
yes,
you can fix every month have a 2 to 3%. It will be good return. You can calculate a minimum 2% per month. You just calculate a year, it will be 24%.
Okay, sir. So after completing this 5-day training, I will have some better understanding, I think, sir.
Yeah, sure. You know how to the chart analysis, how to analyze a stock as fundamental analysis. Basic level, you can definitely, it will help.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I need one more doubt, sir.
Sure, ma'am.
What is the thing we learned from Demat account, sir?
Sorry. Can you repeat, ma'am?
What is the thing we learned from Demat account, sir? How it is possible, sir?
Sorry, ma'am. I'm not understand your question. There is not learn nothing from the Demat account. Is the account to trade a stock, to buy and sell a stock by using the stock market? It's like a platform, ma'am. It is not any learning things. It's just a platform. By using the platform, you can buy and sell the stocks. That's all.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes. You can ask, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. I understand your answer, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Sir, my question is, how can I purchase HDFC Bank stock or mutual funds or another bank mutual funds account?
Sorry, ma'am. I think someone other one, the other member was not talking. Okay, can you repeat, ma'am? Ma'am, can you repeat? Hello. Hello. Any other doubt, guys?
Sir, allowing, sir?
Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir. Please. One participants are asking doubt.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, what are the apps that you suggest for trading, sir?
For trading or learning?
Trading.
Trading apps are it's based on your which vendor you're going to open the account, sir. For example, if you are opening the State Bank Demat account in State Bank, they are providing the State Bank app. They can use it SBI app. If you are open the account in Zerodha, they'll provide the app. You can use the Zerodha app. So depends on where you're going to open the Demat account.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have cleared most of the participants' doubts as of now. You are spending your spare time with us. Thank you for all the participants. We will see you on the next session.
Just the last query, sir, please. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah. Tell me.
So am I? Yeah. So I have a request. I already mentioned in the chat box. Sir, please make a strategy how to choose a career in stock market during the last day. Maybe it is in the last day. That is the 5th day. Please make a strategy how to choose a career for earning by choosing this stock market field, sir.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. That is a request, a kind request.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, participants. It's a time to wind up.